Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, your teacher, your friend. So in today's video, I'll be helping you in solving the back exercise of this chapter, Celebrating Earth Day, from the book Pristine English Class 4. So let's get started. So part A, take the correct answers. Number 1, Earth Day is celebrated on 22 April. So A part is correct. Number 2, who made the tree costume for Tarun? The answer is mother. Number 3, how many boys came in his dream? So the answer is 3. Number 4, the 3 R's are, so the C part is correct, reduce, reuse and recycle. Now begin with the B section, that is fill-ups. Number 1, the 3 boys were parts of the earth. Number 2, chemicals in the water have killed plants. Number 3, air is so full of pollution because trees have been cut down. Number 4, the best way to help the earth is to avoid polluting the earth. And the last fill-up, when we make something dirty, it is called pollution. And now we begin with the C part, that is the reference to context. Read these lines and answer the questions that follow. Number 1, help us Tarun, help. So the A part, who was asking for help from Tarun? The 3 strange boys were asking for help from Tarun. B, what was Tarun doing at that time? Answer, Tarun was dreaming when he heard the cries for help. Now the second reference, Tarun, you are very quiet today. Are you not well? So question A, who spoke these words? And the answer is Tarun's teacher spoke these words. B, why was Tarun so quiet? Tarun was so quiet because he was thinking about his dream and feeling that celebrating Earth Day was of no use if he couldn't do anything to save the earth. Now we begin with the D part, that is answer these questions. So there are 7 questions and one by one I'll give you the answers. So let's begin. Question number 1, what was killing soil? Answer, the plastic, bits of paper and garbage thrown by the people was killing soil. Question number 2, why was air unable to keep itself clean? The air was unable to keep itself clean because the humans cut down the trees that keep it clean. Question number 3, what was polluting water? The chemicals and the waste thrown by the people were polluting water. Now question number 4, why was Tarun think he could not help the 3 boys? Was he right? Tarun thought he could not help the 3 boys because he was only a small boy. No, he was not right, as his teacher explained that everyone can help by avoiding pollution and following the 3 R's, reduce, reuse and recycle. Question number 5, why did Tarun feel that celebrating Earth Day was of no use? And the answer, Tarun felt that celebrating Earth Day was of no use because he thought he couldn't do anything to save the earth. Now question number 6, which 3 ways did his teacher suggest to stop pollution? Answer, 3 ways which his teacher suggested to stop the pollution were reduce, reuse and recycle. And this is the last question, what do the 3 R's mean? The 3 R's mean, number 1, reduce the amount of garbage you throw, reuse containers and products, repair what is broken or give it to someone who can repair it. Third, recycle as much as possible, including buying products with recycled content. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Thank you.